Hey guys, welcome to Jordan's Reviews and More. Today, I've got two unboxings to do. More of these figures, which I really like. They're metal and they're collectible. As you can hear the metally sound. So let's unbox them and see what they're like. I did the tape on both of them, so I didn't have to bore you with that. The annoying thing is, they are taped in to the box. Can't even get it out without moving it. Oh, cool, it's got an extra bit with it as well. So if I go on the bottom half, who cares anymore? It's just a fucking hell, I hate. I know it's ripping the box, but what can you do about it? Fuck all. See, I wish I had nails on. Right, there we go. Bit ripped, but how can you do it? So, here is our figure. It is taped to the top. It's really annoying because now he's taped to it. Right. And also he's got those bits of whatever you call them connected to him. So lucky I have my snips. That. And then under that. And set him free. Owie, ow. There we go. He's now been set free. Again, he's easy to store in the box. I didn't keep the Harley Quinn and Joker box. I didn't want that. Who would want that rubbish? A mad person. Well, lucky I can still store him in his special prison. Box is a bit teared up though, but you know, that's how boxes are nowadays. Let's do up the bottom, because that's been wrecked. And put him back in the box. How he was before. Good, Nah, I don't think it is not very good. I think you're meant to get them out of the bottom, that's why. The top was ruined, but the bottom was okay to get into. So he just goes in that way. Ah. That's why he was in the wrong before. Why he was going around before. Because the bottom was the way to get out. Next one is I think it's someone's mum. Again, it's the same way of doing things. The bottom. God, I hate tape. How can they think it's okay to have tape on every box? For a blind person who's got very short nails like a little girl. Well, actually, little children have sharp nails as well. So I can't criticize, can I? And I'm ripping the box as well, so it's my item. That's the new way of doing it. And she's got the same way of doing things. Oh, hang on a minute. God. She's keep writing. There we go. Just stick it out. Oh, no. Ooh, slow. There we go. Tape off her. I don't know why they've done this to us. They've basically made it very hard for a blind person to. And cut. Again, the other one. And cut. Again, this is the annoying bit. Oh, cool. She's got a, like, dress on? Like a queen would have. Oh, great. She's held in. It's wiring. Oh my god. It's really annoying. We can't even get into it because it's all still bloody hell wires everywhere. Oh no. Simple. There's a wire there anyway, so I can cut that. Simple as. It's not even broken. I'm impressed. Very impressed. It's like a very... I do wish they made like little metal versions of Star Wars figures like this. So... Oh! I know it's a figure, but... It's got the chest, guys. And I've got one called... He is from a movie, he is called Steve. Yeah, it's actually called Steve, I'm not joking. And Queen... Hippopotamus or whatever her name is. I'm gonna put him on his... Oh, shit. Hey, when you do that, it really creeps me out. Like, scares me a little bit. Because these aren't toys, they are collectible figures. You shouldn't really mess with these. You can put them, like, move them about. And then if you want to store them, you just put them back in their little casing. Like that. Then you find the little casing that goes into there. And then you put it back in the box the original way. Goes into that. And she's back in her box. Do you know what? Those weren't hard to open or unbox. Just a new way of doing it. I'm guessing I'll have to move those Grogu's, man. Or the child. Come on, babies, let's go. I know you're going to be upset, but it's just going to have to be. I've got the Joker, Harley Quinn. I've got Harley Quinn and whatever he's called, Captain America. So he So yeah, the cool thing about these, you can actually display them in their box. I think I've still got the box from Captain America somewhere. Check, do I still have them? That's the Stormtrooper. Predator, as in Predator, the movie, not the actual Predator. Yes, don't tell me that. Please, please, please. Huh. I need a... I'm doing a video!
What?
I'm doing a video, Paul.
Alright, okay, I'm just going to ask you if you're having tea.
No thank you. Don't worry guys. I wish there's someone who will know. One of the support staff. Ask me a question. And then we can get this one out. We're going to do the same to him. So we put him back in the box. He goes back right in there. Simple, that's simple. And then when you're done with them, in display, or on display, or display in the boxes, you can do like so. Simple as simple. And then they stay nicely in their boxes for display purposes. And you can look at them back in their boxes, how they were originally, back in their packaging, like that, or if you want them on display, you can just go I'm not joking, this one is called Steve, and always joking I'll be laughing, but no, he's actually called Steve. So I'll put, this one's a bit broken, so like that. You have to do it. It's not that broken, but it's just how it is nowadays. Gosh, I need more of these figures. They are pretty good. Pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty cool though. And then the other one is the Queen of England. No, I'm joking. Why would they make a diecast figure of the Queen of England? That would be a nightmare for you. Thing like she does look a bit like Queen Elizabeth. One is not amused, and I don't think you should be wearing that armour suit around town. And if you do wear your TIE pilot suit around town, hopefully, if you don't ask the woman out as a weirdo, you will not be walking to the head chopping chamber, you naughty little twat. That would be Queen Elizabeth if she knew me. But she does not know me. And if she did know me, I would scream in terror. Because I do not want to have a chat with the Queen. Or if I want to give her a foot rub, that will be different. Would one like a foot massage, darling? Size 4? You have a size 4. That's pretty smelly. Pretty manky. Which is like that. Again, the same way. You can display them if you want to, but I will have mine on display out boxes. I am an in-box collector, but I choose not to have mine out the box in the boxes. No, I'm not an in-box collector, but I would choose not to have mine out in the boxes. I don't like to display my stuff in the boxes. It's a bit boring if you think about it, because then you have to get it out, and then like to get it out of the box, do all that rubbish. It's boring, really. It's absolutely bullshit, because why would you have an item brand new in box, never been opened, never been used, just being in a box, gathering dust? I don't get it. It's absolutely bullshit that some people do that. Oh my god, he actually does look like our team. Oh, he looks like our manager. He's got the same coat and everything. Oh my god, they actually made a little mini doll of that actually look like him. So we've got the Queen. Hello, darlings. My name is Elizabeth, but I'm still not alive. But I am alive in metal form. So deal with it. Or you can massage my sweaty feet. Sweaty, smelly size 4s. Now leave me alone. Now bugger off. It's the Queen. Oh, she's a bit top heavy. Oh. Yeah. And then the Steve guy. Oh, whoops. There we go. Simple. Now I'm going to have 2 more figures to display on my set. They're both from, I don't know what these are from. The Queen Hippodamus, or whatever her name is. I think it's from a sci-fi movie. And then him, he can stand out. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 metal figures. I don't have the Harley Quinn and Joker pack. That just got thrown away. Very nice metal figures. I like them. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more reviews, unboxings and demos. Much more coming your way. Cheers, guys. And the action button is there.